great gas grill heats up fast, cooks evenly, and gives you consistent results every time you fire it up. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best gas grills of 2026, from portable camping grills to full-size backyard models built for serious outdoor cooking. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 8, the Weber Spirit E210 earns its spot as the ideal 2-burner option for smaller households. The 450 square inch cooking surface is the same as the 3-burner E310 above it on this list. A meaningful amount of grilling space for a 2-burner model, comfortable for 2 to 4 people without cramping. Weber's assembly instructions are clear and efficient, and the build quality reflects the same engineering standards as the rest of the Weber lineup. The dual burners handle the fundamental needs of most grill sessions: searing, direct heat cooking, and basic zone control. Where the E210 logically concedes to the E310 is zone cooking flexibility. 2 burners versus 3 means fewer distinct heat zones and less precise temperature graduation across the cooking surface. For 2-person households, occasional weekend grillers, and anyone who doesn't need the complexity of 3-zone heat management, the E210 delivers Weber quality at the most accessible entry point in their lineup. Number 7 is the Monument Grill's stainless 4-burner propane gas grill, and the value proposition here is one of the most compelling on the list. Our tester's comment captured it directly. A grill with this much cooking surface can usually cost double what this Monument sells for. The spacious cooking surface feeds a crowd efficiently, 4 caster wheels make repositioning easy, and the ignition system works reliably without the frustrating multi-attempt lighting that budget grills often require. In testing, burgers, buns, and onions all came off with great flavor. Burgers toward the back of the grate had more defined grill marks than those at the front, indicating some heat distribution variation front to back, but all produced good results. Steaks showed well-defined grill marks with nice deep brown caramelization. For buyers who need a large-format grill that can handle serious entertaining volumes without the price tag of premium brands, the Monument delivers real value. At number 6, the Weber Q1200 is the best portable tabletop gas grill on the list. The testing results on burgers were particularly notable. Every patty looked nearly identical, perfectly charred, with consistent grill marks across the full surface. 12 burgers and 12 onion slices fit without crowding. Heat distribution was quite even for a tabletop model, and temperature regulation was straightforward throughout the session. Steaks and fish both produced beautiful results in initial testing and continued to perform consistently across the long-term evaluation period. Cleanup requires maneuvering under the grill grates and burners in a way that's genuinely awkward. It requires a stable setup surface and doesn't include a stand, though Weber sells a compatible stand for flexibility. Connecting propane cylinders is slightly awkward due to the angle of the inlet. These are real limitations, but 6 months of outstanding performance outweigh them for buyers who prioritize cooking results over convenience. Number 5 is the Weber Genesis E325. The Genesis E325 delivers over 100 additional square inches of cooking area compared to some 4-burner models from a 3-burner design, which is the engineering achievement that Weber's Genesis platform represents. In testing, the even heating was genuinely impressive. Consistent temperature distribution across the full cooking surface that produced clearly defined grill marks and excellent browning on salmon, burgers, and steaks. The controls were responsive, lighting was easy, and the built-in temperature gauge was one of the most accurate we tested, consistently within 10 degrees of our reference thermometer. The griddle insert is the accessory that has made this grill a long-term favorite. It converts the Genesis into a flat-top grill for smash burgers, breakfast cooking, stir-fry, and any application where direct high heat on a flat surface produces better results than great cooking. For buyers who want a 3-burner grill with 4-burner space, accurate temperature feedback, and genuine cooking versatility through Weber's accessory lineup, the Genesis E325 is the pick. At number 4, the Cuisinart Venture earns its position as the best value portable gas grill for camping and outdoor adventure, and the design creativity here is genuinely impressive for the price point. The lid doubles as a cutting board, eliminating one of the most common camp cooking inconveniences without adding any additional equipment to carry. The propane tank stores in the bottom compartment, keeping everything contained and travel-ready. The small footprint is appropriate for camping and hiking trip setups, where space is a real premium. In testing, the surface preheated in less than a minute, faster than any other grill on this list. Onions, burgers, and buns all produced great results, nicely charred, cooked through, and browned with clearly defined grill marks. The single dial control is straightforward and beginner accessible. Over 6 months of long-term testing across impromptu tailgates and overnight hiking trips, we found ourselves actively looking for reasons to bring it out, which is the highest practical endorsement a portable grill can earn. The bronze medal goes to the Napoleon Travel Q, the premium portable gas grill pick that proves portability and genuine performance are not mutually exclusive when the engineering is done correctly. The form factor innovation is the first thing you notice. The Travel Q looks and rolls like a wheeled suitcase, then pops up into a secure stand complete with prep tables on each side. Setup is guided by comprehensive instructions that eliminate confusion, and lighting is a single turn of the dial. No multiple attempts, no frustrating ignition sequences. The transformation from travel mode to cooking setup is fast enough that you're cooking within minutes of arrival at any location. The 285 square inch cooking surface accommodated 12 burgers comfortably in testing. Solid capacity for a portable grill at this size. The 2 independent burners on either side enable genuine zone cooking. Char a burger on high heat on one side while toasting the bun at a lower temperature on the other simultaneously. That level of cooking control in a portable grill is unusual and genuinely useful. Number 2 is the Weber Spirit EP425, the best 4-burner gas grill on the list and the model that earns the runner-up position by packing genuinely premium features while keeping its price tag reasonable for what it delivers. The 83 additional square inches over the E310 is the starting point, more total cooking area than many competing 4-burner designs, configured to take advantage of the additional burners effectively. The 2 dedicated sear zones are the standout feature, concentrated high-heat areas designed specifically for the rapid browning and crust development that makes the difference between a good steak and a great one. In testing, these zones delivered the high temperatures needed for well-browned burgers, fish, and steak with the kind of Maillard reaction development that lower heat grills can't achieve. For buyers who want a 4-burner grill with sear zone capability, digital temperature tracking, and Weber's engineering and warranty quality at a price that doesn't require serious justification, the Spirit EP425 is the pick. And the best gas grill of 2026 is the Weber Spirit E310. The testing results set the tone immediately. Once warmed up, the 3 temperature control knobs were responsive within 30 to 60 seconds of adjustment, fast enough that you're managing heat actively rather than waiting for the grill to catch up. Heat distribution was even across the cooking surface, with only a slight temperature premium in the center that is common across nearly all gas grills and easily managed through food placement. That evenness is what makes grill marks consistent and results reproducible from one session to the next. The 3-burner configuration is the design decision that makes the E310 superior to 2-burner models for most backyard use cases. 3 independently controlled heat zones allow you to run direct and indirect heat simultaneously, sear on one side, finish cooking on the other, or hold food warm in a 3rd zone while the next batch cooks. That's the engineering approach that makes the Weber Spirit E310 the best gas grill of 2026 and the grill we recommend wholeheartedly to any buyer who asks. That's the 8 best gas grills of 2026, ranked. Links are in the description with updated pricing. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.